Hello guys, in this video I will show how to convert columns into CSV in Microsoft Excel. So there are two formula. You can try any formula. First formula, equal sign, type text join. Now this quotation mark and comma. Again this double quote and comma. Now here you can select true or false. True to ignore empty cells, false to include empty cells. You can select any option. Now comma and select data, closing bracket and press enter. So this way you can convert column into CSV. Second method, equal and type concat. This one selected and select data. Now and symbol. Now this symbol, then comma, again this symbol and closing bracket. So this is the formula. Press enter. So guys, as we can see, this is the formula to convert your column into CSV. Same, you can convert row into CSV using this formula. I will show you example. Here you have some data. Here you have some data and you want to convert this row into CSV. Click here, type equal sign, concat, double click on it and select this data. Then end. Now this double quote, comma, double quote and closing bracket and press enter. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.